Hi everybody! Today we're going to be doing a science experiment, and it's a very basic science experiment in chemistry and the study of cells. Okay, so we're going to be seeing how an egg reacts to soaking in vinegar, what kind of chemical reaction occurs to the egg when we submerge it in vinegar. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 glass containers. I would suggest you doing 2 eggs at a time, just in case something, in case one erupts and breaks, you have 2. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 wide mouth glasses. Okay, and here's your egg, Willow. So super gently put it at the bottom of the glass. So gentle.
Isn't this fun?
Here, let's help you. Go ahead.
Isn't this fun, Miles? Yes.
Okay. Then we're going to take white vinegar and we're going to submerge the egg with the vinegar. So go ahead, use 2 hands.
Carefully.
So carefully cover the egg completely with the vinegar. Okay, that's good. Let me pour a little bit more in here for Miles.
Stinky.
Vinegar does have a very strong smell to it.
I like it though. I like the smell.
We use it in school sometimes to clean. Okay, here you go, buddy. 2 strong hands when pouring.
Very careful.
Okay, cover. That's good, bud.
That's
No
good.
more, no more. That's a little too much.
Go on more than me.
It's okay. We're gonna pour a little bit out. Just want it to get submerged.
Perfect. Same size.
Okay,
Right?
now I have food coloring.
Mommy, can I
Okay,
make it purple?
and
by
Willow
using both
wanted
colors?
to do a combination of red and blue because red and blue makes
Purple.
purple. That's right.
Mom, because this one isn't full and this one is like.
I would do maybe, let's see,
And then we'll have a container of purple.
let's do about 5 drops of each color. Not yet, buddy. Let Willow go first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's your blue. Now let's do some red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let that sit. Miles, are you doing blue or red?
Blue and red.
Blue
He wants to
and...
make it purple like me.
Okay, so do 5 drops of each one.
Whoa!
It's okay. It's okay.
1, 2. That's good. 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Little blue.
You want me to add it for you? Or do you want to do it? 1, 2.
Okay, that's enough. Whoa, that was a big squirt. Big squirt. Okay, so now we're going to let our eggs rest for about 24 hours. We're going to let
That's a whole day.
the eggs rest. And the chemical reaction will start to occur in the next couple of hours. And you'll see some bubbles forming on your egg depending on what colors you chose. The purple is quite dark, but you can kind of see along Miles' egg here some bubbles that are already
You can kind of see
starting to
them on
form.
mine.
The chemical reaction is
mine.
happening.
I can-
Okay. And once, after about 24 hours, the eggs will absorb some of this liquid, okay? Then we will add, let's leave this one alone, okay? We will add more vinegar in 24 hours. We will submerge it again. And then after 2 whole days, that's 48 hours, okay? There's 24 hours in a day. After 48 hours, then we can take our eggs out and gently,
Bounce them!
well, remove the shell and see what happened to the shell. So what are some things that you think
What happened to under the
will
shell?
happen to the shell?
I think it is. Wait, removing the shell?
Yes. Well, we're taking a study of these naked eggs, basically, okay?
They're naked eggs.
We can notice, we will notice the change in the eggs. How do the eggs change from the vinegar experiment compared to eggs still with their shells? And can you see anything inside moving? Try holding it up to a light or a flashlight. Use a flashlight. How does the size of the naked egg compare with eggs that have not been through the chemical reaction? So after 2 days, we're gonna gently remove the shell to expose.
I think it might make them bounce.
Well, we'll see. All right, we'll check back with everyone in about 2 days.
Maybe it'll just make them go big.
I don't know. We'll have to keep an eye. But what I have noticed so far is yours looks a little more purple and Miles looks a little more blue. And I definitely see the bubbles on the egg. Okay. Thanks for joining.
Mine is like a bright purple and Miles is like a bluish purple.
Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you in 2 days with our naked eggs.
Yep. Perfect.